What is going on, everybody? It is Fitz and Cinnamon back here with another video. Today I'm going to be making a video I've wanted to make for a while now, and this is something that I believe in, and this is something that I felt like I had to make. So let's get right into the video. Bags are for groceries. That's right, I said it. Static is the only way to go, especially in my case, an older car. You know, about the only time that I would ever get bags on my car is if it was brand new and an SUV, or it was a brand new German vehicle. That's about the only time I would ever get bags. Other than that, not getting bags. It is a misconception that bags are more than coilovers. You can get a bad set of bags for about the same price of a good set of coilovers. All of this is what you really need and what you want, but coilovers just make everything 10 times more fun. You have to go around bumps and go around pebbles, and you drive like that. It is so much cooler than going down the road and you see a bump, oh, let me air up, you know? That's cheating, all right? No, you don't do that. That's cheating. So bags are not the way to go. I'll just talk about a couple differences between bags and coilovers in general. Bags, you have your park setting, you can air all the way out on the ground. You have the driving setting, which is your ride height, and then you can have all the way up. Coilovers, you set it with a wrench and the little locking nuts, and you stay like that. You stay that low or that high whenever you're driving. You don't have the option to change it. Bags, in some cases, ride worse than coilovers, or bags can ride better than coilovers. It depends on a lot of different things, where you're driving, what bags you get, what coilovers you would get, but ride quality can be about the same, it can be worse, it can be better. There's something about getting in a static car that has about that much clearance either off the ground or between the fender and the wheel, and driving around, it just feels so cool. I don't know how to explain it. There's no way really for me to explain it other than it just feels cooler. It feels better than riding on bags. Now, I will admit, okay, airing out on bags, it's fun. All right, but with coilovers, you just get to flex on everybody everywhere you go all the time. You don't really have a choice, and I love that. I love that feeling of just straight flexing on everybody all the time. You know, now obviously I'm not as low as some of the static guys out there, and I'd like to get to that at one point, but for now I'm happy with my ride height, and my ride quality is actually very smooth for how low I am. Three-wheeling is another reason I love being static. When I got these wheels mounted, there was a huge kind of a driveway, a huge dip in the driveway. And I remember backing out and I got bottomed out. I just sat there with the gas and the clutch just going at it, and one wheel was just completely spinning. And to flex like that was so much fun. I was so excited. Especially I just got my new wheels on and I'm just out here three-wheeling, and it was a lot of fun. Price-wise, a good set of bags is going to cost you $3,000 to $5,000. A good set of coilovers is going to cost you about $1,000. Say, oh well, you buy coilovers because you can't afford bags. That's not always true. You can always save up and just get bags instead of just going straight to coilovers. But I would personally just rather have coilovers. You get to dial in everything with coilovers. Bags, you know, you can just put them on and air out, and whoop-de-doo, you have tucked fitment. That's cool. But being able to just ride around all the time with your fender and your wheel about that close, that is just so much fun to me. Again, I can't explain it. That's something you guys have to feel. Another great feeling of being static, and why I wouldn't get bags, is the fact that when I'm on Instagram talking to somebody and they say, oh, what suspension do you have? Are you on bags? I get to know that, no, I'm not on bags. I have amazing fitment with coilovers, and that's just so much more of an accomplished feeling than with coilovers. You have the freedom to change your spring rates. Compared to bags, you can increase the pressure in the bags, but you're not ever going to be able to have 100k spring rates in the front and literally ride on your lips, or just centimeters, millimeters away from your lips like that. Another big point against bags would be how they look when they're driving, right? People get bags to have that adjustability to be able to change the ride height of the car, and that's cool and all, but if you've ever seen a bagged car rolling, that is one of the most disgusting things that I have ever seen, ever. The wheel gap is worse than stock. They lose all of the camber, and it just looks terrible. It looks absolutely terrible. So that's another reason why I would not get bags, why I prefer coilovers over bags. Coilovers are also rebuildable. Bags are as well. You can get new bags if they pop, but coilovers, you can get the individual pieces for them. They're not gonna be as much as bags. And people say that, oh, you know, you get coilovers because you can't afford bags. Well, that's a good thing. If you'd rather spend the money and be happy with coilovers than spending twice as much on bags that you may not need or want, coilovers are a great option for that. Again, there's something about going down a bumpier road or a road that's not so smooth, and you're bouncing around the car and you're like, yeah, I'm static, and then it's just so much fun. I don't really know how to explain it, but yeah. All right, so that was just a couple points, a couple ideas on why I have coilovers over bags and why I think you guys should have coilovers over bags as well. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Bags versus coils, age-old question, you know, so let me know what you guys think, bags compared to coils. Anyways, this has been Fitz Miller and Cinnamon back here with another video, and we'll see you guys in the next one.